How to change the PC discoverability settings. This tutorial shows you how to control whether other devices can find and connect to your PC. First, open Settings by clicking on the Start menu and then clicking on the gear icon. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left side menu. From there, click on Devices to open the device settings. At this point, scroll down and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. Let me show you. In the next step, look for the toggle labeled Allow Devices to Find This PC. Following this, turn the toggle on if you want other nearby devices to detect your PC. Once done, turn the toggle off if you want your PC to stay hidden from other devices. From here, close the settings window to save the changes automatically. Keep in mind, this setting also affects features like nearby sharing, since your PC needs to be discoverable for other devices to detect it. Finally, if you're on a public or unfamiliar network, it's best to keep discoverability turned off for added security. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the PC discoverability settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.